Guys, wanted to quickly take you through how you can work out how much you're spending on a keypad meter, because this is something I have and I know it can be a bit tricky. So sorry, it's just to explain, this is the piece of paper I use to write down the codes. The headings I use are the date, the balance, the amount purchased. Obviously I write down the code, and then I put down the new balance. In Excel it looks a bit more like this. So to explain quickly, to work out your cost for the year, if you make sure you take it over roughly a 12 month period. So here I see I purchased on the 14th of November last year. I've just purchased today again. So to work out what I'm actually using, I take the sum of the bits in green there. I don't add the amount I purchased today because that hasn't been used yet. So I'm actually going to take the sum of the green and I'm going to subtract the balance, the amount remaining, because it hasn't been used yet. And when I do that, that gives me the amount in yellow. That's the approximate amount, but because there's actually an extra 10 days, if you divide the annual approximate by the extra 10 days to get a daily rate, and then multiply for 365, and if you want the monthly, you just divide that by 12. And guys, you're most welcome.